Vishal? Yeah, okay, right now. Here JDBC means Java database connectivity. Okay now. Then using JDBC, we can store the data. Store the data to the database in the form of rows and columns. Here JDBC contains 4 drivers. Driver is a object. Totally JDBC contains totally 4 types of drivers. The type 1 driver means type 1, type 2, type 3, last one is type 4 driver. The type 1 driver, another name is a JDBC, ODBC, bridge driver. The type 2 driver, another name is a negative API driver. And type 3 driver name is net protocol driver. Last driver name is a SIN driver. Then come to type 1 driver. Okay. Then simply go for then what is the type 1 driver like a Java? JDBC drivers. Okay now. See that JDBC, ODBC bridge driver, native API driver, networking protocol driver and thin driver. What is the purpose of the type 1 driver? What is the architecture of the type 1 driver means? Every JDBC, if every Java program compulsory, it will convert into a ODBC driver. Okay na? Here like a if every JDBC program converts into a ODBC driver. The ODBC driver data, it will be stored in a database. The Java program is directly, it will be connected to database or indirectly it will be connected to database. Ravi?
Can you repeat that question one again?
The Java program is directly, it will be connected to a database or indirectly it will be connected to database.
Okay, that I'm not sure.
Means here Java application, Praveen. The Java application using type 1 driver, using JDBC, ODBC bridge driver, using type 1 driver. If every JDBC of the Java application, it will be converted into a ODBC driver. Okay, the ODBC driver contains Java application. Yes or no?
Yes.
The ODBC data, it will be connected to a database. The ODBC driver, it will be converted to a database. Means using type 1 driver. Using type 1 driver. Every JDBC program it will be converted into a ODBC. The ODBC driver it will be connected to a database.
Okay.
It's a clear, Praveen?
Yes, yes.
Because it is a time-taking process or time-less process.
Yes, I think it's a time.
Time-taken process or time-less process.
I think it's a time-taken process.
Time, that is the reason. Real-time not using type 1 driver.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Next point is, here also, vendor it will be involved. Why mate? Every Java application it will be converted to a vendor database. Means another third party vendor. The third party vendor it will be connected to a database. Nasin,
Yeah.
are you clear?
Yeah.
Because here type 1 driver, if every JDBC program it will be converted into a ODBC driver, Nasin. The ODBC driver it will be connected to a database. Okay, see that?
Yeah.
The JDBC ODBC bridge driver converts into a JDBC calls into ODBC calls. The ODBC data it will be connected to a database. That is a type 1 driver. The type 2 driver it is also main advantage means it is a client mission. This type 2 driver, the type 2 driver, it will not work server side application. It will be work only client side application. But real time maximum people are using server side application. That is the reason type 2 driver is also not using real time. Last to type 3 driver. What is the type 3 driver means? If every JDBC program it will be forwarded into a server, the server it will be connected to a database. It is also front end, back end and server. It is a third party vendor. If any database transformation source to destination, Java application to database, if any person involving to the transformation, the data loss is responsibility to third party vendor. Okay na? Middleware server. Middleware server is nothing but another person is involving to front end to means Java program to database. At that time it is also taken time, taken process. And the last one, see that the last one, the Java program is directly it will be connected to a database or not, Darsheen?
Yeah, it's connected to database.
Directly it will be connected. What is the better one? Totally 4 drivers. What is the better one in the real time?
Thin driver.
Yes, thin driver. Why means that thin driver directly it will be connected to a database. And also compared to remaining drivers, type 4 driver is a very fast. Okay, Narshin?
Yes.
You see that if every architecture then compulsory when you are transfer the data Java application to database in the intermediate involving to type 3 driver involving to middleware server, that type 2 driver involving to vendor database library, here involving to ODBC driver, because the type 1 driver, type 2 driver, type 3 driver directly it will not connected to database. Then the type 4 driver directly it will be connected to a database and it will be less time it will be take to connect the Java program to database. Real time using nothing but a type 4 driver. Using type 4 driver. Okay now. Please read the what is the type 1 driver, what is the architecture of the type 1 driver, what is the type 2 driver purpose, what is the architecture of the type 2 driver, what is the advantage and disadvantage, what is the type 3 driver, what is the architecture and what is the advantage and disadvantage, what is the purpose of the thin driver, then what is the advantage and disadvantage of the type 4 driver. Please read that information through material. Okay now. Right now, if every driver is connected to database or not, Narshin?
Yes. What you said?
The type 1 driver is connected to MySQL. The type 1 driver it will be connected to Oracle. The type 1 driver it will be connected to MongoDB. The type 1 driver it will be connected to file system. Means each driver it will be maintain the multiple databases. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Like a type 1 driver means the JDBC contains five steps. Five steps. The type 1 is load the driver. Next to step 2 is a step 3 is a type 4 driver is a type step create a statement. Last one is connection close. Means we can develop the JDBC application. We can develop the JDBC application. Compulsory need for 5 steps. What are the 5 steps? Means load the driver, connection is established, write SQL query, and create a statement, and the last one is a connection close. Connection close. Okay. Then and Vishal, are you forward the softwares to anyone like a Narsin or Praveen, anyone?
I have already forwarded.
And anybody please, I will give that presenter. Please download the software. Then I will show the how to installing the database. What is the URL? Each and everyone I will discussing. Without the database information, then it will not possible to understanding the JDBC applications. I will give that presenter to you, Narsin. I will download these softwares.
Yeah.
I will download the softwares.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ram. Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
So, yeah. So, are you want to share my screen?
Yeah, right now I will share my screen. Already I will give permission to you.
So do you want to install in my computer?
No. First you can download the MySQL database and Oracle database and SQL Vogue. The totally 3 SQL Vogue and MySQL and Oracle. The 3 files you can download the mail.
Yeah, I think I downloaded that Vishal Sanders.
Yeah, okay. One
email.
minute. And share in our screen.
Yeah, if you want, I can.
Yeah, 1 minute. Waiting is. Praveen, are you seeing the screen on Narsin screen? Are you display the Narsin screen?
No, I'm not able to see.
Narsin, can you?
Yeah, it's a waiting to view Narsin screen. That message is display. That one is or no?
Yeah, like I saw the message that Nasrin is now a presenter, but after that, like I'm just, yeah, it says, yeah, waiting to view Nasrin in the screen. Yeah, I see that, but yeah, it's just
Nursing,
like that. It's been a
please
while.
accept the screen sharing. I mean, Nursing, did you
What?
accept the request?
I'm forward. Already give the request to Narsin Mohan.
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
Vishal.
yeah. I know that, but she didn't accepted it, so it's not showing her screen.
Are you accepted, Narsin?
Nursing, are you there?
Narsin.
Nursing, can you hear us? Praveen, have you downloaded it?
Ram, there is a screen that I think that I should click on extend.
Yes,
That
yes. Click
okay.
on that.
Narsin.
Is it working or should I send you the request again?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. I'm
Okay.
trying.
And
I will
Praveen, I give presenter to you, Praveen.
no, Praveen has not downloaded it.
I haven't. I haven't done.
Now, Nasreen, there would be again the screen popping up that yes or no, right? So just click yes.
Yeah. Are you presenter, Narsin, right now?
Yeah, I'm trying. There is a button like share and cancel, but I'm clicking on share. It's not working.
Okay. Then Mohan, please give the presenter to Praveen.
Praveen, but he has not downloaded it. How?
And I also got there's another thing like go to meeting launcher. Do I need to click that
Yes.
on click go to meeting launcher to begin?
Yeah,
No.
just click it.
No.
I mean to say, yes, have you done?
But there is another message that I got on my screen, share your screen, go to meeting to screen
Yes.
sharing. But there is a like share and cancel. But I'm clicking on share, share is like off. So I don't know what to do.
Okay, Praveen. Vishal.
Does it show the request of mouse control and everything? Yes, done. I can see.
Yeah, okay. It's okay right now.
Yeah, we can see your screen, Nasrin.
Yes, right now.
Okay.
And where is the MySQL, Narsin?
Yes. Okay, let me show you. This one?
The screen is still, so I mean to say, it's not moving.
Yes, Praveen. Narshin,
Yes.
are you open MySQL? But in our screen is not working right now.
Can you see it?
No, it's like
No,
your
no,
screen
no.
is still, I mean to say, it doesn't move, just stagnant.
Ram, can you see my screen?
Yeah, screen is okay, but the screen is stuck. You know, screen is stuck.
Stuck. I mean to say, it doesn't move.
I opened that SQL file.
I will make you again the presenter.
Yeah, give me more, Vishal.
Yeah, I'm making it easy.
Ram still is stuck.
1 minute. I will give permission to please accept the request. Again, I will give the presenter to you.
Okay.
Are you accept the request? Narshin.
Yeah, I got the same message like I have something like 6 boxes.
Click on
Click on
click on.
download.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Click on downloads or
Yes.
which one? Enter screen or go to meeting. There are 6 windows like enter screen, go to meeting, and
Yes.
software for advanced Java and downloads. Which one I should click? Ram,
No.
can you hear me?
Yes, Narshin.
So which one I should click on? The downloads or software for advanced Java? Which one?
Means first I'm not seeing your screen, Narshin.
Okay, there is a like.
That would be the request of screen share. Yep.
Yeah, okay. Then where is the MySQL?
Here. Can you see it now?
Yes, yes. Narshin,
Yes.
in our Skype is there Skype.
Skype.
Skype address is there.
Where? My Skype address?
Yeah, but
Skype address is there or not?
Are you asking about my Skype address?
In our Skype address.
yes, he is asking your Skype address. So if with
Yes.
Skype also the
Then remove the presenter to Narshin Vishal.
okay, I will remove. Anyone else has downloaded all the software or not? I mean to say, apart from Narshi,
Yes.
is there anyone who has downloaded it? Yash, Praveen, anyone?
No, I haven't downloaded.
And Yash, what about you?
I have downloaded.
You have downloaded. Can we make you as a presenter?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So Yash, you are the presenter now. See?
Just a second. It asked me to download a small extension.
Yep.
Yes, yes. Click on download it.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we are able to see it.
Yes.
Go back to Java software.
Open MySQL RAR file to extract that file. Yes.
Yeah, it's extracted.
Yes, I don't have. So it's
Yeah, open. Directly open, no problem.
Actually, ask for the extractor.
so should I just select a program?
Yeah, okay.
Select.
I think so, Ram, you don't have Visual because can you download the WinZip? It's very small file.
Just a second, I'll download it.
Yeah, WinZip.
Download the RAR file software. Yes.
WinZip. Download WinZip. Yep. Yep. Now again go back to the download extract here.
Yeah, open MySQL. Yeah, open MySQL. And first one, Win32. Yeah, double click on that one open. Setup, double click.
Okay.
Next. Everyone please listen. Please see that installation. Next.
And install that.
Yeah, install. Yeah, next.
Next.
Next. Next. Finish is asking.
Yeah, finish, right?
Finish. Finish. Again, it will be open again new window in the MySQL database. Finish.
Yeah.
Immediately it will be open on new window. 1 minute, right? Yes. Yes. Next. 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 Yeah, see that. Double click on portrait as down arrow mark, down arrow mark. What is the portrait as right now? Yes,
3306.
3306. Totally the MySQL contains 4 port address. 3306, 3307, 3308, 3309, sorry. The default port address is 3306. Select 3306, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then next.
Yeah, next.
Then in this.
Next.
Next.
1 minute. Inverse finish. Yeah.
This. Okay. Yeah. In this.
Next. Next. Here, new root password and confirm password. Then to specify the root, ROOT root, and confirm is also to mention root. That's enough.
So
Type
the
root
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 password.
R double O
Need
T.
to type
Root,
something.
ROOT, root. See that? Enter the root password means to specify the root, and confirm is also to mention root. No problem. Then you can give no any confirm password, but the compulsory root is a mandatory.
Okay.
Next. Next. Execute. Automatically the files are executed. Click on execute button.
So finish.
Yeah, finish. Open search box. Search box finish. Then click on window. MySQL type. Window search function. Window search function.
Okay.
Like a MySQL.
Okay. Just a second.
Yeah. No, no, not that one. Here search function window. Yes.
On the start button.
Yeah, start button. Start button.
Okay. Got it.
MySQL.
Okay.
MySQL.
QL. Q.
Yeah. Uh, 1 minute. One minute. Uh, yes.
Yeah.
No. Don't search the function. Just to open start button.
Okay.
My cap small letter MySQL.
Okay. Just a second. On my keyboard, keys won't work, so I need to open on-screen keyboard.
Yeah, open, see that. MySQL command line client. Click on that one.
Okay.
No.
Yes,
No,
yes.
no, remove. Yes, also, that one. That one. MySQL command line. Open that one.
It's asking password. Enter password.
Open. Yes.
Yeah, I opened it.
Enter password. Yeah.
What is the password?
Root. Already you get a root. ROT.
Same password, root.
Okay.
Enter. Where is the file?
I clicked enter.
What?
I clicked enter after typing root.
Okay. Yeah. Then open again MySQL. Open that one. Enter root. Enter.
After clicking
Open
enter,
C drive.
open C drive. Okay.
C drive. Program files. MySQL. Is there MySQL software?
Yeah, Microsoft SQL Server or server.
Not that one. Open program files into 86. Open.
Yeah, MySQL.
Yeah. Okay. Then open. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. Okay. Here, open start button. Yes.
Okay.
Start button. All programs. All programs.
Okay.
Here MySQL folder is there. MySQL.
Okay.
Yeah. Open. Then second command line argument client to open.
Command line client, right?
Yeah. Open. Mention root. What is the problem?
No, the window went off again.
Automatically it will be. Okay. Go for download files. What are the download files are upload? Open that one. No problem. But still it will be working. But it will automatically it will be closed. No problem. Then open download files. SQL work last one.
Last
Last one. SQL work.
That is
work.
after Oracle.
Last one. Last one. SQL work.
Yep.
Double click.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Next. Agree. Accept. Next. Next. Install. Next.
Then okay. Finish.
To remove the tick mark and finish. And open your desktop. Automatically the file is created on desktop.
Yeah.
And SQL work one folder is created. See that
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Okay, now open that one. Okay. Yeah. Here new connection, new is there. Not that one. Inside another window is there. Click cancel. New button. Cancel.
New. Yep.
Click on new. Okay. What is in our password?
Enter the password again.
Enter password.
Same.
Root. Same root.
And then connect.
Connect. And yes. Means you can give username is wrong password when you are entering in the installation time. Then you can give wrong root password. Not mention correctly root. Okay. Uninstall MySQL software. Go for C drive.
Just try first of all again.
Okay, I'm going to see that.
No. It's the wrong Vishal. Then C drive. Make it faster to installing the C drive. Control panel open. Immediately uninstalling MySQL software. You can go any password carefully. If the capital letters or small letters, each and everyone we can mention carefully. Type MySQL, yeah, is there. That one,
Okay.
5.0. 5.0, MySQL. Right click, uninstall. Okay.
So it'll restart my computer again.
No. Okay, no problem. Okay. Yeah, close. Open C drive and the program files. Remove the MySQL folder in the C drive.
Okay.
Delete.
Yeah, deleted.
Then go for MySQL installation. When you are downloaded files, databases.
Yeah.
JavaScript. Open MySQL.
MySQL.
Install that one. Yes. Yeah, MySQL. Open. Setup. Next. Install. Next. Next.
Then finish, right?
Finish. Again, it will be new window. Next. 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 You know, port address is in our MySQL port address 3306. Okay. Next. 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 Here carefully small letters root and confirm also to provide the root.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Execute.
Execute. Finish. Open start button. Check the MySQL command prompt. My to mention my, yeah, okay. Yeah, still is working. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, close this one. And one more, please listen. Using this command prompt, we can creating the table, we can creating the database compulsory for query. Yes or no, Praveen? Praveen, Merchant GPS.
Yes, yes.
Using this one, using command prompt, compulsory you know how to create the table, how to create the database, how to insert the data, how to delete the data, how to update the data. Compulsory for queries. Then you don't know queries, then remove that concept. Then go for SQL work. Yes,
Okay, SQL. Okay.
SQL work. Using SQL work manually without queries, we can creating the table and we can update the table. Each and every query we can update. We can each and every query we can maintain it manually without queries. See that open already is there open. Yes,
Yeah.
already in that open SQL work. Yeah, open new.
The
Yes,
connection.
okay, okay. What is your password?
And then connect.
Yeah, connect. Yes. And maximize the screen. And here test, select test, select right click, simple, right click, create database without queries, create a database. You can give database name anyone, no problem, as you wish. You can give any database name. Okay, create. The new database is created. That database contains a collection of tables. Okay, now select to new, right click, select to new, right click, create a table. Sorry, not that one. Select to tables. Create a table. Here, what is the table name? You can give any one table name. Come to column here below column data type length that one. Then to specify the column name is username.
Okay, under column name I should.
Yeah, column name means like a username. Data type varchar means string type.
String type.
Varchar to type v yeah varchar and length to specify 50 or 60 as duration. Means how many characters are it will be possible to insert the username. Then to provide the 50. Okay, come to next line. And not default. Come to below column name next line. Then password. Varchar to go with the varchar. Size you can go anyone, no problem. And next phone number. Data type integer, int. And size you can go anyone. Here below save button is there. Bottom.
Okay, should I click on that?
Save. Yes. No. You want
Yes.
to more tables? No. Okay.
Okay.
To
Yeah.
remove into mark. Here into mark like a query, history, new and new table. To remove that fields.
Should I remove the new table?
Yeah, that one is also remove. Already no need a new table. Already the table is created. New
Okay.
table. Okay now. Then that one is also remove. New button. Remove that one. Remove.
Okay.
Click on new.
Hmm.
Yeah. Here new table under new but new keyword is there. Double click on new. New double click. Right click on new. Right click on new. Open table. Yeah. Here data is there any username, password and phone number?
No data.
Okay now what is the value username? Null value. Password null value. Phone number is also null value. That is the table. And the database name is a new. Means without query we can creating the table and we can creating the database. Is it easy or not? Yes.
Yeah, it's easy.
Praveen. Praveen.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it is a without queries you can perform. It is a GUI, graphical user interface. Graphical you can perform the database maintenance. Okay.
So you can do the same in Oracle too, right?
Oracle has
I mean,
also
you.
one URL. Yeah, URL is there, but it will be support only MySQL database. Praveen. If you want to Oracle, then I will after I will show it. Okay, close this one. Yes.
You mean the query or the whole program?
Total application is also closed. Then
Okay.
open Oracle database. Oracle database.
So in this, there is Oracle application. Should I install
Yeah,
it?
double click on that one. Yeah, double click. Right now I'm using Oracle 10G.
Okay.
10G, 11G, 12C. 10G, 11G, 12C. Okay, now below one window is there. Yes, open. Okay, no problem. Automatically the new window is open, no problem. Next, next, next. Here, enter password system, small letters. Compulsory. See that, enter, read that one. Enter and confirm password in the database. This password will be used for both SYS and system database accounts. Okay, na? Then
Okay.
enter password is system, small letters. And the password is also confirm on local system, then you can go anywhere. Remove tick mark and finish.
Okay, I'm removing the tick mark.
Tick mark and finish. What is in our Oracle username and password? System and system.
Yeah.
And connect and yes, and to remove this one also. Open SQL. SQL is there. MySQL is different and SQL is different. MySQL is a MySQL database. SQL. No, it is a MySQL. Search SQL. Searching SQL. Yeah, see. Yeah, Oracle database 10G Express edition is there.
Okay. Should I click on that?
Open that. Open that one. Yeah, run SQL command line. Open. Yeah. If in case we are using Oracle database, compulsory you know how to create the table in the Oracle, how to update the table in the database, compulsory need for queries. The alternative technique is a open Chrome, open any Internet Explorer, anyone, open browser, open browser.
Just a second. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute. Now open new window.
Yeah. Open your window.
Yeah, 127 point URL address. Please write that one. 127 point
127.
127 point
0 point
0 point
0 point 1 colon
1 colon
8080 slash colon not a semicolon
Colon is double dot.
Okay, got it.
colon 8080 slash apex APEX. Enter. Enter. What is the username?
System.
Yeah, mention and login. Open object browser. Okay. In create button is there. Create button. Create. Click on and create. Automatically. Cursor right click. Create. No, not that one. That one. Create a table. Yeah. You can go table name anyone. Hello. For example, like a table name is hello. Okay, come to column name. User there. And string means varchar2 data type. Varchar2. Then come to next field, column name. That's an automatically it will be location, no problem. Password like a varchar2. Then come to next field. Phone number. Then integer.
Which one? The data type.
No. Varchar data type. No, sorry.
Varchar2.
Varchar2. Okay now. Here, left side of primary key, foreign key, constraints and confirm. Yes or no? No need of these options. No need. Just your next button is there. Next button. Cancel inside next button is there. Next, first the cursor it will become to primary key. Next button. The request is come to foreign key. Next. Again next button. Again finish. Create. Create. Yeah. Click on data. Table inside the data option is there. Table inside.
Table contains no data.
Yeah, data. Okay, any data is there right now? Without a query, you can create in the table and update it and everyone. Okay, if you want to table, left side set function is there, set box.
What is it, Ram?
Search table under search function is there.
Okay.
Hello to mention hello.
Should I click on that?
Yeah. That automatic. Yeah, double click, automatically the table data will be displayed. No data.
Yeah.
Yes or no? That is
Yeah.
nothing but that is like a MySQL and Oracle. Any doubt?
No doubts.
The Praveen, Narshin,
No doubt.
is it clear?
Yeah, I have used Oracle before, so I know this one. Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is nothing but like a installation.
Ram, here I think I'm little bit confused. Like that I think he went to the Google search and then he typed 127 and then 001:80. So is it he's working on online?
Yeah, because it is a URL address. That's it. Without command
Uh,
prompt,
yeah, I'm not getting your voice.
means use without command prompt you can creating the table Narshin. That easily we can maintain the database. This is a GUI. When you are installing the Oracle software, just to open Google Chrome, within the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, anyone in the browser, simply to specify the 127.0.0.1:8080/suffix. Automatically the browser it will be open, means Oracle database it will be open on browser.
Okay.
Then simply to mention the username and the password, then login. Then after no problem. First to installing the Oracle software in our machine. Then after I will show that how to connect the Java and Oracle each and one. Then you will understanding that concept. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
So it is saved
So, okay.
on local drive. RAM, it is saved on
Yeah.
local drive.
Yeah, local drive, Vishal.
Yes, that's so.
If you want to,
Yeah,
if you
Yeah,
want to
I
server side the database.
I totally don't listen Vishal what he is talking because his voice is completely like gone.
no.
Yeah, okay.
What I'm trying
Vishal.
to tell you that the things are being saved at a local drive. Just I want to tell you. That's it. So it's like even though we are working on a web, right?
Yeah, I don't hear anything that what Vishal is talking.
No, that's okay.
Vishal is saying
Acha.
even we are using in the web, we should install Oracle in the local drive. That's what he's saying. Am I correct, Vishal?
Vishal. Vishal. Vishal.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah. Because here it is nothing but a client mission. No problem, Vishal. Yeah, all data is saved in the local drive. No problem. But if you want to server side, like online, Then you can go for cloud, PHP admin. Okay, Vishal.
Yep.
Okay, now. Like for example, like a Facebook, the Facebook every person register in the online, but the data is stored in the California. It is nothing but a client side mission. Okay, now. Then real time I will discussing, no problem. Okay. And one more, and give me the permission to me, Vishal. Then I will discussing to small information about the project. Yeah, thank you. Here, please listen. Here, every project contains like a presentation layer. Next one is a business logic layer, and the last one is a DEO layer. DEO means data access layer. Okay, now. If every project, if any server side application contains totally 3 layers, presentation layer and business logic layer and DEO layer. The presentation layer, it is nothing but like a HTML coding, CSS, JavaScript, and business logic layer, it is a Java code, and DEO is a database. Okay, now. Here Java coding is different and database coding is different. How to connect the Java and database? Using nothing but a JDBC technology. Are you got it my point? Darshan?
Yeah.
Naveen? Ash?
Yes.
For example, like I am open Facebook. It is a presentation layer or not? Browsers. It is a presentation layer or not? Praveen?
Yes.
Then in case simple my username and password. Then password is like then I will give one password. When your submit button is over, the request is go for Java code. If the Java code is the input parameter is accepted using set method, the data it will be stored in a database. Sir, it's a point is correct in the real time. Then how to connect the Java to database, sir? If my database is a MySQL, my project database is a MySQL, then how to connect the MySQL database and Java coding? Both are different. MySQL database is different and Java coding is different. Then how to connect the Java and database using nothing but a JDBC technology? Is there understanding what is the purpose of the JDBC? Yes.
Yeah, understood, Ram.
Yeah, because if like a, please listen, then I will use small concept JSC, JWE, JME. Here JSC is a client side applications and it is a server side application, and the last one is a mobile applications. What is the client side application means? If any project, if any application working in a single mission, if any project, if any application working in a single mission, that type of application is called client side application. For example, like a restaurant bill payment, hospital bill payment, these are the client side applications. Okay, now next to come to JW means server side applications. What is the server side application means? If any application, if any project working in a different missions at a time, for example like a Facebook, the Facebook application is run my mission as well as in our mission, and like a Gmail is the same application, means online applications. It is nothing but a server side application. And mobile applications, you know. Okay, now Then mobile application is a purely different to JSC and JW. Then JSC and JW, what is the better one in the real time? Anybody? JS and JW, what is the better one?
Server, server side.
Server side. Why means we can develop any project. That project you can use number of people in that online. Okay, now it is it will be increased. That is the reason. Server side application is a better one. JW. Okay, now what is the JW or what is the server side application? Okay. Sir, when you are using client side application, when you are using server side application means if the client is compulsory particularly asked to I want to client side project, then you can develop the client side. If the client is asked to server side, then you can develop the server side. But the maximum people are referred to server side application. Okay, now then what is the server side application means? If any server side application consists of 3 layers. Presentation layer, second one is business logic layer, and the last one is a DEO layer. What is the DEO means? Data object. Okay, now then here presentation layer. Next one is here. What is the purpose of the presentation layer means? Like what is the presentation layer means? It is like a browsers. It is like a browsers. For example, like I'm open Facebook. Within the Facebook, then I will mention fb.com. The request is go for which one? The request is go for Facebook server. In case, then I will specify to 111. The request is successfully forwarded to Facebook server or not? Yes? Anybody?
No. No.
No, because here what is the purpose of the presentation layer means? What is the purpose of the presentation layer means? How to forward the request to the server. What is the purpose of the presentation layer means? How to forward the request to the server. Okay. Then within the Facebook, username is equal to AAA and the password is equal to AAA. Then Gmail is equal to AAA. It is a registration page. Once the submit button is over, the request is go for Facebook server. The Facebook server internally it will be checked. The username, password, Gmail, all are the attributes, first name, last name, email, re-enter email, mobile number, new each and everyone. That fields are the Facebook server is accepted means the input parameters are valid input parameters. Using set method, the data it will be stored in a database. Okay now. Okay sir. How to insert the data to the database? It's the correct. Then how to retrieving the data from database to presentation layer? For example, like within the presentation layer, my hall ticket number is. Then I am open JNTU Hyderabad server like a. Within the JNTU Hyderabad server mark list here. Then I will specify to 529 hall ticket number. The request is 529 number. The request is go for JNTU Hyderabad server. The server is accepted. The 529 number hall ticket number is valid. The request is go for 529 number. The database, the 529 number, it will be checked. The 529 number is hall ticket number is available or not. If the 529 number hall ticket number is valid, using get method to access the data from means to access the marks from database to present like a 100, like a 90 marks, 80 marks. Okay now, set and get method. The set method means to insert the data from database, and get method means to retrieving the data from database to presentation layer. For example, like I come to Flipkart, then right now I am open Flipkart. Then I am open Flipkart. Within the Flipkart, like a open website Flipkart. Here Flipkart server, it is a presentation layer. It is HTML browser. Once the Flipkart is submit button is over, the request is go for Flipkart server. Okay. Okay. Then I want to like a men, then fast track, I think. Okay now. Then watches. Okay now. Then please, I don't know pin number, because then here I will submit this one. I want to this image. This image is retrieving from which location? Database. The data, these watches images are, this images data is first to admin. The admin first to insert to the database using get method to access the total watches images to database to presentation layer. That is the set and get method. The set and get method. The set and get method is nothing but a Java Vino class ORR Pojo class plain old Java object. Plain old Java object. What is the Java bin class and what is the Pojo class means? It is a simple Java class. Within the simple Java class, we can define both setter and getter methods. Within the Pojo class, it will not define any logics and conditions. Okay now. Here, the business logic layer and business logic layer and setter and means Pojo class. It is a JW application. JW applications. Okay now. Here business logic layer is a view layer. Just you can see the data. It will not possible to perform. It is a control and the setter and getter method. It is nothing but a model. It is a model. Model view control. That is a MVC architecture. MVC view control. Okay now. Sir, who are the responsibility to develop the presentation layer means UI developer team. UI developer team like HTML website developer. Website developer. Okay now. And who are the responsibility of to develop the business logic layer means Java developer. And Java developer another responsibility is also to develop the model. And who are the responsibility to develop the database developer. Database developer. Okay. Here Java developer, database developer, UI developer. Means we can develop the any server side application. We can develop the any server application. Compulsory need for 3 developer means website developer, Java developer means control developer and database developer. Okay now. Here the advanced Java contains. The advanced Java contains 3 parts. What are the 3 parts means? JDBC. What is the JDBC means? Java database connectivity. What is the Java and database? Then how to connect the control flow means how to connect the database both using JDBC. Right now, in onwards, I will start how to connect database.
Ram, we cannot. You're
Then
still
next one is
your
servlets, and next one is the JS. What is the JS? Java server pages. Servlet
Ram,
purpose to
are you,
connect to
Ram, are you
Java
writing
to
anything on the
database. What
screen
is the
or you are
purpose
just
of
talking?
Can you hear Ram?
control? Means is different.
Hello? Hello?
Vishal,
Hello?
We cannot see anything. It's like your connection is breaking.
Hello?
Vishal,
How do you see everything inside your the screen is still and we still cannot
just I am talking. Just I am talking, Vishal. Hello?
yes, yes, I got it.
Hello?
Yeah, Ram, we can just see that at the end of
Vishal?
and the last line is Java bin class, and then we cannot see
Praveen?
anything.
Yes. Are you listen to my voice?
I can listen, Ram, but are you typing anything?
Yes.
Yes, Ram. Are you able to hear?
Yes.
Ram, your connection is breaking.
I'm not. I'm not screen also. Just I'm.
There is
Praveen.
a connection issue. I mean to say at your.
Praveen.
I think so.
I'm not talking right now.
No, 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 no. It's breaking.
Ram, can you hear us?
Praveen.
Vishal, I think Ram is not listening us. He cannot.
Can you hear us?
Ram, can you reach?
Hello?
Can you reach?
Right now, indoor. Correctly, Vishal.
Right now it is little bit clear, not that clear. Hello? Ram, reconnect. Ram, can you hear us? Hello. I mean to say, it's like I think so. There is a connection issue with the RAM, right? So maybe we would continue by tomorrow same time because it's already 9:30, right? So we might do it something like that.